Hi, I thought I'd do a short tutorial on how to log into Haiku Learning. So we are here looking at a website, which is right now Google. I'm going to minimize this a little bit so you can see what I'm doing at the top of the page. I'm going to type in FLN for Frontier Learning Network .haikulearning.com, and at this point you can bookmark this. I'm using Chrome right now, so my bookmark would be right here. Bookmark this page. You could download a link, whatever you do to bookmark. This is where you would do that. Then you type in your username, which for everyone, when I create them, unless you change it, the username is your first initial and your last name. The password that I give you is change me, all lowercase, one word. If you change it, then you'll have to remember it. If you can't remember your username and password, you click down here, forgot my username or password, and you put in your work email address and they'll send it to you. So I have my username and password, automatically comes up ready to go. Click sign in. Most of you will not see this domain control page when you log in because you're not administrators of the site. You will see a portfolio page. But what you will see in the upper right hand corner says My Classes. Or you might see this one here that just says Classes. But what I tend to do is go up here under My Classes, and you're looking for the one that's called Superintendent Meetings. Click on that. Over here to the left hand side it says Meetings 2016-2017. You click the caret, which drops it down, and right now you will only see the August 9th because it has been published. I've loaded the rest of these dates, and I have to change the dates now that I know we've changed it to another day of the month because it was first Thursday or something. Anyway, I'll go in and change the days, but when I publish them, then they will show up for you. Last year's meetings are all there intact. They're still loaded. All the links are there. So you think, well, I think I heard something in the February meeting last year. Just go into last year's February meeting. Here's the agenda, resources on the side. There's the Oregon Promise video. Okay, there's some stuff about little bits, etc. You just can browse. Today's meeting, August 9th. I've taken this year to numbering things so that I know how to find it. So I did a talk about the STEM Hub. I did a talk about the Oregon Library Standards. Pokemon Go, what librarians need to know. That was number 12. So I'm going to scroll down here until I find a box that says number 12. And there it is. Pokemon Go, what do librarians need to know. Click on this, and this is a link which will take you to another web page. It will open it up. Over here on the right hand side, free tech literacy assessment for 5th graders. This is information I wanted to give you. There is an offer through the state to give all of our 5th graders a tech literacy assessment. Here is the web page to go and look at what the offer says and how to sign up. Fall in-service schedule there. Scrolling down, I remember you said you wanted me to send you a list of PD themes for you and for instructional, for your staff. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to type and just copy and paste these into the email. There was a staff, there it is, in-service topic. Scroll, copy, paste. and I will send that to you. When you've finished with perusing the page, it's always recommended that you go through the process of actually logging out. But you know that it's up to you. It's not necessary. Here's the help page that'll do you a walkthrough in the page. When you do this walkthrough for this page, it gives you a tutorial step by step that shows you how to do things. So fln.haikulearning.com, and the system will log you in. And just so that you know, I'll go to the edit roster here, and we can see that Elizabeth, Mike, Kim, Michelle, Kevin, Nancy, Wes, Brad, Phil, and Robert are all members of this course, the superintendent's meeting. And so you all have access to this, and you'll see it as soon as you hover over my classes. You will see the superintendent meetings as one of your class links. So let me know if you have any questions on that. Thank you.